Okay, we're back inside of Adobe Premiere Creative Cloud, and in this tutorial I want to talk to you about recording track automation or volume changes. So what I want to do is record the volume changes here on my music track on A3. So I'm going to make sure that I have A3 selected. Then I'm going to go up to Window, Workspace, and we can go to Audio. So now inside of the Audio Workspace, you can see that I have an audio mixer here. What I want to do is focus on track A3 because this is where my music is located. We scroll back down a little bit. There we go. Now you can see the music track. And I'll zoom in a little bit by grabbing that and moving it to the left. Okay, cool. Let's put our playhead about where we want to start recording our fader movements. So to record our fader movements, if we change this right here to what's called write mode, if we go into write mode, now when we move this fader, when we're in playback, it will write keyframe or volume change automation. Okay, great. So we're going to press play, and then we're going to get our mouse clicker on the audio fader pretty quickly. Here we go.
It was a typical Tuesday night. You know, nothing of importance going on. I just pulled into my driveway and my thoughts were only of beer and peanuts. I was right up at my door and all of a sudden, it must have been a lead pipe because I got hit and I was knocked out cold.
Okay, cool. We just stopped recording. So it's really important that as soon as I'm done recording the track automation, here you can see all the keyframes that I recorded. It's really, really, really important that once we're done, that we go back and we change this to what's called read mode. Because if we accidentally leave it in write or touch, and we touch the fader, we will record over top of our keyframe changes when we do another pass. So I'm going to go ahead and change this back to read. And now I'll move the fader back here. And let's take a look at this fader now as we play back and watch the keyframes.
It was a typical Tuesday night. You know, nothing of importance going on. I just pulled into my driveway and my thoughts were only of beer and peanuts.
Okay, cool. So you can see now how to record basic automation changes inside of Adobe Premiere.